Hi, and welcome to Susan Irby's Home Chat, where we talk real estate, home decor, and lifestyle. So 'tis the season of baking and cooking in general. People always ask me how I stay fit. And the fact is that I may cook all these different foods, but I pretty much stick to the foods that I eat. I eat a ton of fish, a ton of vegetables, and I don't eat a lot of white starchy carbs. I don't kill myself at the gym. I don't even own a gym membership right now. I used to run. But I do a ton of walking now. I walk. So how do you stay fit during the holidays? You make stuff and then you give it away and you keep them in small portions. Let's say that you overeat one day, you go back to your regular portions the next day. One day is not going to mess up your diet. It's what you eat and drink day after day after day that's so important. So remember, your BFFs in health are your PFFs, lean proteins, high fiber foods, and healthy fats. So lean proteins, high fiber foods. I mentioned quinoa and beans, but I love broccoli. I love cucumber. I love celery. I love bell peppers. I eat the red ones, the orange ones, and the yellow ones because the green ones upset my tummy. And healthy fats. Healthy fats are also found in a lot of the high protein foods, the lean proteins like salmon and fish. They have omega-3 fatty acids. Avocado, yum, nuts have healthy fats. The key is, though, avocado and nuts and any food is to make sure that you're not eating too much of them. Enjoy your cooking this holiday season. Enjoy your baking. Share the wealth eating. Give it away. If you're making pies, then give them away to neighbors. Invite people over to share it with you. Do a cookie making class. That's fun. And then everybody takes their cookies home with them. And then make sure that you're getting some exercise and going right back to your regular diet. And remember those PFFs, lean proteins, high fiber foods, healthy fats. And guess where you can find those? In the Bikini Chef Diet book. I hope you have a healthy, fun holiday. And please just message me for all your cooking questions.